Coronary artery disease and your diet. Coronary artery disease occurs when your coronary artery is narrow and aren't supplying enough blood to the heart. Over time, this will cause a buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries, causing such symptoms as chest pain, angina, fatigue and shortness of breath. Eventually, this condition can lead to a heart attack. There are a number of factors that can lead to coronary artery disease, including diabetes, high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Smokers are also at a higher risk for coronary artery disease. In order to lessen the risk of coronary artery disease, it is essential to follow a healthy, well-balanced diet that includes proteins, carbohydrates and good fats. It is equally important to avoid unhealthy, fatty foods that are loaded with bad carbohydrates, such as greasy French fries, hamburgers and pizzas. The need for protein. Protein is one of the 3 macronutrients that the body needs for survival. Protein is a source of energy, and helps the body, particularly muscles and other tissues, to heal from illness and injury. It is essential that there be the proper amount of protein, and according to the American Heart Association, protein should make up 35% of our daily caloric intake. There are a number of delicious dietary sources of protein that can easily be incorporated into the diet. For instance, lean red meat is an excellent source of protein, as well as whole grains, soy and other beans and nuts. Another way to add protein to a diet is to use protein supplements. These are made from natural ingredients, and not only are they a terrific way to provide the protein needed, they also make wonderful snacks and meal replacements. Protein supplements. There are a number of excellent products out there when it comes to protein supplements. Many people prefer the pre-made liquid supplements, which make great meal replacements. Others like the powdered supplements, which can be added to many recipes. One popular protein supplement is ProfectR, by Protica, which provides 25 grams of protein per 2.9 fluid ounce serving. Each serving has less than 100 calories and is low in fat and carbohydrates. Protein supplements are made from a number of different types of proteins, including whey, soy and rice. Whey. This is a byproduct of the cheese-making product and is considered to be a complete protein as it contains all 22 of the essential and non-essential amino acids. Because it is a milk derivative, those who are allergic to milk or milk products or who are lactose intolerant may want to try a different type of supplement, such as soy or rice. Soy. Not only is soy a complete protein, it is also one that is from vegetable sources, so it is an excellent choice for vegetarians and dieters. Many liquid and powdered protein supplements are made with soy protein. Rice. Rice is another complete protein and also a good choice for vegetarians. Rice protein has one more benefit as well: it is hypoallergenic, so it is healthy for just about everyone to eat. Coronary artery disease and diet. A case study. Donovan has always been an all-or-nothing kind of guy. He likes a good fatty steak and potato meal, with extra butter and sour cream. Most of the time he has a nice cold beer along with his meal. He also loves a good cigar after such a meal, reclining in his chair, puffing away, typically with his belt unfastened. He has changed waistband sizes several times in the past few years, always for a larger size as he gets bigger and bigger. At work, he is also very intense. He works late into the night, rarely stopping for anything other than lunch. He wolfs down burgers and fries from the local fast food place, hunched over his desk as he works on various projects. His beverage of choice is typically a big chocolate milkshake with these meals. He usually sends his secretary down to get them, not even bothering to get up to go himself. The only exercise he gets is the 10 steps to and from his private bathroom and then the steps he takes to get to the elevator and up to his car. At home, he either plops in front of his computer to do more work or in front of the television. He has never been one for exercise and even less for going to the doctor for a checkup, so it has been several years since he has had a physical exam or lab work. However, lately he has been very tired and he has been having some very troubling pains in his chest. Breaking down, he goes to the doctor, who diagnosed the pains as angina and the underlying cause is coronary artery disease. The doctor also tells him that his blood pressure is dangerously high, his cholesterol is through the roof and his A1C indicates that he is at imminent risk for diabetes. He would like to see him totally change his diet and his lifestyle and eventually lose at least 50 pounds. Along with medications to take, Donovan is given a very strict diet to eat, including a calorie count and a breakdown of the foods that he should be eating. Because he has been eating such large amounts of food lately, the doctor fears that he will be unable to deal with feelings of hunger or cravings, so he suggests that he eat a little bit more protein to help. Protein takes longer to digest, so it is better at controlling hunger, especially between meals. Instead of eating 1 or 2 huge meals each day, Donovan will be aiming to have 3 or 4 smaller meals plus an additional snack when he really feels he needs it. He will use ProfectR, a protein supplement from Protica, as a between-meal snack because it is small, 2.9 fluid ounces in all, and has a low calorie count, 100 per serving, but has a high amount of protein, 25 grams. There are a number of different flavors for him to enjoy so there is no need for him to get bored. Flavors include fresh citrus berry, passion fruit, orange pineapple, blue raspberry swirl, cool melon splash, fuzzy peach nectar, ruby melon twist and grapefruit mango.